Hello and welcome to my channel. You need to try this saucy recipe because it is an excellent source of protein and a great replacement for meat. So first we're going to hydrate the granules. You're going to add 40 grams of saucy mince in a bowl. Then half a cup of clean water and let it sit for around 3 to 5 minutes maximum. So recently I realized that they no longer label the weight in grams. So 40 grams is the small one and 80 grams is the big one. After 3 minutes, fully drain the excess water and set aside. Now add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and once it is hot enough, you're going to fry the hydrated saucy granules until golden brown. For seasoning, we keep it simple because saucy is already seasoned. You're going to add the spices and then you'll mix well until all the ingredients are well incorporated. So I have come to realize that many people are stranded when it comes to cooking saucy. That's why I always come with delicious, already tested recipes so no one miss out. Check out my other saucy recipe and you won't be disappointed. And as you know, there is no samosas without spring onions. So add already chopped spring onions and coriander and mix well. After mixing, transfer the filling in a bowl and then let it cool down. I have already made the casing because I don't want this video to be long. If you don't know how to make a casing, I will leave a detailed tutorial on the description box, so don't forget to check it out. To make the envelope, pick one piece, then apply a paste consisting of wheat flour and water to bind together. Don't forget to pinch at the tip so it does not unravel. Then let it rest for 10 minutes in order to bind well. And now it is time to fill the samosa pocket. You will take one pocket, fill it with the samosa filling, and then you're going to bind it with the paste. You are doing very well. Now add some vegetable oil and fry your samosas to your liking. This is the third time I'm making the Sossi Samosas and my son really loved it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Until next time, take care, enjoy, bye.